Hey guys, it's Becky here from Creative Haven YXE, and today I'm going to show you how to make the macrame mug rug. Super excited about this. It turned out really cute and I can't wait to share it with you. So this is what we're doing today, and we're going to be using natural and spice. They're 3mm macrame string, and let's get started. First thing you're going to do is you're going to cut one piece of either color, doesn't matter. You can also do these in solid colors or alternating, which is what I'm going to do in this demo. So the first piece we need to cut is 1 foot long. Then we're going to cut 10 pieces at 4 feet or 1.2 meters. I've cut 5 in each color and I'm going to alternate them along. And we're going to attach all of our pieces onto our 1 foot string that we cut with the lark's head knot. So the first thing we need to do is find the center of each of our pieces, and then we're just going to attach them all onto the string. You can tape this down if it's easier for you to do that first. I like to attach them and then tape it down. I find that is easier for me. But it is completely up to you which way you prefer. Now that we have all of our cords attached on with lark's head knots, we're going to start our pattern. This pattern is super simple. It is alternating square knots for 12 rows, and we're good to go. So our first row, we're going to measure and start about 6 centimeters from the top knot there, because this is what's going to make our fringe. So we're going to put our first square knot right here at about the 6 centimeter mark. Excellent. Now row 2 is alternating square knots. So we're going to skip our first 2 cords and use the next 4 cords. And we're going to do 4 square knots on row 2. Have 4 square knots along row 2. Now we're going to continue to do alternating square knots till we have a total of 12 rows. So we've got 5, 4, 5, 4, all the way down. All right, so now that we have our alternating square knots complete, we are going to trim off the strings and to make our little fringe. So you can choose however long you would like your fringe to be. I'm going to do mine approximately 6, so right underneath these here, and then I'll measure and do the same on this side. Excellent. From here, we're just going to unravel all of our ends and then trim it up again. And then you'll have your beautiful coaster. All right, and there we have it, our completed mug rug. It is reversible, so either side. The way that we attached our cords in the alternating pattern is what gives it the striped look. You can also attach, and this one here I've done just the purple. I did 3 strands of purple here on this side, just to have one stripe running through, but it's totally up to you. You can trim these shorter, which I think I'll probably do, and that's it. There you go. Everything has been unraveled, and it is perfect for my mug. Thank you so much for joining me, and have a fantastic day.